Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today just a little quick project, just really using some scrap pieces of yew, and I'm making a camping flint. So just using the Easy Woods finisher there, just really hogging away at this wood at the moment just to get the right diameter that I'm looking for. This is just scrap pieces of wood that I've had lying around the workshop for a while, or in a bucket, and thought, you know what, it's time to get rid of them. So this is a piece of yew that I'm turning at the moment. I can't remember how many of these I've turned, probably in the excess of around 35 of them that are now at our local scout club. And this one I'm sending over to Anita Ball with her Klingspor hat. Finally managed to get it sent to her. So now I'm just putting a 9mm drill bit in there, just so the flint can be accepted. And just coming back, I've put the tailstock back up just for that little bit of extra support, just while I really finish off this piece. Just putting a few little grooves in there, just to aid the handling of it, that's all, so it doesn't slip out of your hand. Just putting a few little lines in there with the Easy Wood detailer, and one more for good luck. And now with the Easy Woods burning tool, this is the Carl Jacobs signature one. It's a really good tool, this, and it comes with so many different wires. You'll never get stuck with one of these. And just starting to part it off now with the detailer. Scoot that over a little bit. Like I say, just start to part it off, and then I'm looking at those little ridges that I've put in, and I'm not quite happy with them, so I just go back to them very shortly and just make them a bit more prominent, a bit more defined. Just taking some light finishing cuts here. Now, I do sand this from 120 up to 240, and I do apply the Yorkshire Grit original from Easy Wood Tools. And now I'm just putting on the microcrystalline wax from Hampshire Sheen. Just working that in and buffing it in a little bit till I get that shine. And I do believe I did put 2 coats of this on. Now, I did forget to actually take some photos of this before sending it away, so I did have to ask Anita. I sent her a quick cheeky message. Could she please send me a couple of pictures so I could add them in at the end? And thankfully, she kindly did. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up and please leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.